going on, Bert? It's Marcel. I'm actually in the office with one of my good buddies, Charles. We wanted to personally invite you to this huge event the Baltimore Real Estate Investment Association is holding, the REI Super Saturday, February the 20th.
Yeah, Bert, it's going to be a great event. We're going to have some great speakers that day. We're going to have Mr. Marshall Humphrey himself, the wholesale kid, going to give you deep secrets on how he's been a successful wholesaler. We're going to also have the godfather of Section 8, Mr. Joe DiMaggio. He has over 77 rental properties and only 3 vacancies.
Not to mention, Bert, Charles, he's a humble guy. He didn't share this information with you. But Charles is considered the mad scientist of internet real estate investing and marketing. He's going to be sharing with you, and he's going to show you how to buy, sell, and market real estate all over the internet using social media marketing. And last but not least, Bill Fell, Baltimore's real estate investing veteran. He's got over 1,000 deals under his belt, Charles.
1,000 deals.
1,000 deals. He's going to show you how he's used one formula to buy, sell properties all over the country using his one formula on February the 20th.
So, Bert, make sure you make it to the house on February 20th at the REI Super Saturday. The only thing left for us to say,
Be there.